is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to post a TikTok video, not a story. So before I begin with the video, if you're interested in Shopify, I can offer it to you completely for free for your first 3 days, and then you only have to pay $1 your first month. So you want to go on TikTok and you want to click the plus icon. Now there is a big difference. If you were to have on it photo, and if I were to long hold, and basically that will record a video. So if I were to hold it here, it's basically going to turn into like a video. And if I were to place this big check mark, it's just going to post it to my story. What you need to do is go to the second, like 15, 60 or a minute, record, blah, blah, blah. And then once you click the red check mark, this is actually now a video. Of course, you can choose to post on your story, but if you were to go next, you can post it as a video. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.